Hi there, this is my video number 8 to you. The best book I ever have read and will read. Get it here on my website www.bestofyouhowtochange.com or from another website. Just get it and read the best book ever written, A Course in Miracles. The world of perceptions, however, is made by the belief in opposites and separate wills, in perpetual conflict with each other and God. What perception you sees and hears appears to be real, because perception you permits into awareness only what conforms to the wishes of the perceiver you. This list leads to a world of illusions, a world which needs constant defenses. If you in the future or now will want to chat with me by mail, then you will be more than welcome. Or if you like, call me. If you have any questions or suggestions, then just send me a mail or call me. Talk with me more directly. I'm just a human like you. Here is my Gmail address, bestofyouhowtochange at gmail.com. You can naturally also find my contact information on my website www.bestofyouhowtochange.com. Take care, Raymond Cassius Sananda, Denmark.